Hello everyone! I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Today's topic guys, we will discuss about hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia is where the level of sugar in your blood is too high. Tinatawag natin siyang high blood sugar. Kung mayroong high blood pressure, may high blood sugar din. So it mainly affects people with diabetes and can be serious if not treated. People with diabetes can also have blood sugars that too low, called hypoglycemia, means also low blood sugar. If you have diabetes, you can find out if your blood sugar level is high by having a blood sugar test, blood glucose machine. Pwede kang magpakuha ng blood sugar by extracting the blood. It will take a day, pero mas maganda kung may machine ka, especially diabetic. Kailangan mong mayroong sariling machine para kung mayroon kang symptoms na nararamdaman, makapag-check ikaw agad ng blood sugar. The symptoms of high blood sugar or hyperglycemia is feeling very thirsty, peeing a lot, means umiihi palagi, lalo na pag sa gabi, feeling weak or tired, blurred vision, and losing weight. Causes of high blood sugar or hyperglycemia in people with diabetes: being unwell, feeling stressed, eating too much sugary or starchy food, being less active than usual, missing doses of diabetes medicine. Yan ang mga symptoms ng hyperglycemia. You can also get high blood sugar if your diabetes medicine is not working well. So how to lower your blood sugar? Take any diabetes medicine you have been prescribed as advised by your doctor. Avoid eating too much sugary or starchy food. Try to find ways to manage stress. Exercise regularly. Lose weight if you are overweight. Follow advice from your doctor or caregiver about what to do while you are ill. Do not skip or change doses of your diabetes medicine unless advised by your doctor or healthcare team. The problems caused by high blood sugar, if it stays high for a long time, it can lead to peripheral neuropathy, permanent damage to the nerves in your hands and feet. Ito ang mararanasan mo or ma-experience mo kung matagal nang mataas ang blood sugar mo tapos hindi mo ginagamot. The diabetic retinopathy, permanent damage to your eyes and problems with your sight. Diabetic ketoacidosis, life-threatening condition, a urine high level of ketones. You think you have high blood sugar, you are feeling sick or have stomach pain. You are breathing more quickly than usual or your heart beating faster than usual. You feel drowsy or are struggling to stay awake. Your breath has a fruity smell. You feel confused or have difficulty concentrating. You have a level of ketones in your blood, pee or urine. If you experience all these things, you have to call your care team or help immediately because this could be a sign you are becoming seriously unwell. Kaya pag maramdaman mong paunti-unti ang mga symptoms na to, ask help immediately. Lagi kong sinasabi sa bawat video ko, prevention is better than cure. Sana may nakuha kayong aral dito sa topic ko today about high blood sugar or hyperglycemia. Bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. At kung may gusto kayong itanong about this topic, mag-comment lang kayo below. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers at non-subscribers at saka sa mga silent viewers. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa panonood sa mga videos ko at sa pagsuporta dito sa channel ko. Pagpalain po kayo palagi. Thank you for watching!